Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to the computer class of grade 3. I'm your teacher, Fazal Ikram Singh. And today, inshallah, we will be discussing our unit number 3. Let's learn KTurtle. So let's move on for today's work. Before we go on for today's work, here we have the learning outcomes for today. So we will be discussing today, inshallah, execution of program, images in KTurtle, like if you have made a drawing and how you can convert that one into an image, your drawings, and we will be discussing the shape of the turtle. So let's move on towards today's task. Yes, my children, today's task is a bookwork. Bookwork, and that's on your book page number 36 from your objective type questions. That's question number 2. You have to write T for true statement and F for the false statement. Remember, it's a bookwork. So let's move on for first part for today. Our A part is you can change the shape of the turtle, as the turtle is your pen in KTurtle. So can you change the shape of it? No, we cannot change the shape of the turtle. So this is a false statement. You need to mark it false. Now we move on to the next one. Yes, here we have B part question with us. The turtle sits in the editor pane. So it's on the left hand side, the first pane. Does the turtle sits over there? No, the turtle sits in the canvas in the center of the KTurtle screen. So this is our wrong answer. So we will be marking it as F, false statement. Now we move on for the next part, C. Yes, here we have part C with us, that you can change the execution speed of your program. Means execution, when you are starting your program, the speed of your, when you're running your program. Remember, my children, the execution word we had discussed it in the last lesson as well. Execution means when you play, when you run your program. So can you change the speed of your program? Yes, we have 3 to 4 options with us. We can make it slow, fast, or slowest. So that's a true statement. So you have to mark it T, or you can write full true as well. Up to you. So that's part C. Now we move on to part D. Here we have part D. The save button is used to save the programming commands which you have already written in KTurtle. Yes, that's correct. That it is used to save the commands you have written in it. So this is a true statement and you have to mark it true. T. Remember, my children, this is a book work and that's from your book page number 36. Now we move on to the last part for today. Here we have, you can save the image that the turtle draws on the canvas. So if you have added a drawing on the canvas using the turtle, so can you save it as an image? Yes, that's correct. As we have discussed in the last lesson, that you can use the export to PNG option. Yes, my children, that's a correct statement. So you have to mark it T as a true one. I hope it is clear to you all, and keep practicing in it. So here is the answer key with us. You have to check out your answers, match your answers with the ones you have already marked. And before we move on for the end of this lesson, let's quickly summarize. Yes, we have discussed the execution of the programs, how we can convert the drawings we have made in the images in KTurtle, and the shape of the turtle, which is actually a pen for you. You cannot change it. Yes, that's the one we have discussed today. So That's all for today. But yes, before we move on for the end of the lesson, don't forget to finish your Google Classroom quiz. Yes, it's your quiz time. And the questions are related to the things we have discussed today. So that's all for today, my children. Hope to see you, inshallah, in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.